Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Hillbilly is down. Yep, a lot of you guys been asking where I've been. Ain't been really posting no videos. Some of you guys been asking how I've been doing. They've seen the pictures of me being in the hospital for the second time this year, 2021. Yeah, back in May, I had to go have a kidney stone zapped, lithotripsy, endoscopy. That's the camera up the woo-woo. And they didn't get them all. So, been putting it off. I had an 8mm stone, which is the one I wanted to get in the first place. That's big. Basically, got about an 80% chance of not passing it. So I've been putting it off and stalling, and they went in and got it this time, and they went in with the camera this time and went in with the laser and basket surgery or basket something and took it out, and now I have a stent. This is my third time ever having this shit done, but this is the first time I've ever had a stent. First time they've ever went in with a laser and zapped it. And I still have a few more small stones. Not worried about those. I just wanted that big one out of there. And they got like 2 others too. Let's say I am pissing the blaze of glory right now. Whew. And it was not fun yesterday. And it still ain't fun, but it's not as bad as it was. Knock on some wood. Knock on some ammo, and we got a little unboxing here. Got a little something for you guys right here, and this too. Something I've been working on. Oh yeah, a Glock 40. Check those sights out, guys. Check those sights out. Ameriglow agents, FBI contract sights. Oh yeah. Got the 1791 holster out there. Glock 40, Glock 23. So that's what we're working with right there. Got them big old Federal HSTs in there, 180 grainers. But anyways, yeah, been down, gonna be down for a little while. I've got a stent in right now, and if you don't know anything about that, that's a little tube keeping my kidney flowing, and it's got a string which comes all the way out of me, and I got about that much hanging out of me, and taped around some things. And yeah, it's not fun at all. I'll never get another one, I'll tell you that. Never gonna happen again. I've been bored out, let's just tell you that. I'm bored out. They've bored me out. Bored me a little. Maybe went from a 22 to about a 357 now, so yeah. And it's fun, let me tell you. Pain pills, yeah, they help, but woo. But yeah, gonna be down for a little while. Got a little something sitting at the gun shop right now. Sitting in my local gun shop. You guys are gonna like it. I posted a little hint to go back in my little community post. Oh yeah. So stay tuned for that. I may go pick that up tomorrow. I couldn't go get it today. I was like, nah, not going. But yeah, I may, hopefully in the morning I'll be feeling a little better and go down there and pick her up. Maybe we'll do a little video on her tomorrow. But welcome all the new subscribers. Should have said that in the first place. We got tons of new subscribers. My little shorts videos some of them are bumping. My Matthew McConaughey boys, you know, my Smith & Wesson 6904. Y'all think I'm Hillbilly McConaughey. Anyways, let's show you guys what we got cracking right here. Check this out, guys. Oh yeah, we got some Russian gold here. Check that out. Oh yeah. straight in from Classic Firearms. This is actually my second because FedEx completely, I guess they destroyed it. They damaged my first one, and I had to call in and reorder it right there around the first I heard of that Russian ammo ban. Went over and grabbed some at Classic Firearms, 35 cents a round. It was marked up to 40 cents a round within an hour after me purchasing it. Thankfully, they let me get the 39-cent price on this from where I ordered the first one, but they wouldn't give me my money, or they wouldn't give me the credit, so I had to double pay $400, tax, shipping, blah, 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 blah. And so I gotta wait like 2 weeks to get my money back on the first one. They wouldn't work with me on it. So remember that when you buy ammo from Classic Firearms. If it gets damaged, definitely buy that insurance. Lucky I did. Second time I've had issues with FedEx and ammo. Bought some 380 and it got lost. That was no deal. That was from another place. They had me a refund just like that. But anyways, that gets out. Russian gold, if you can call this gold. Little Tula 9mm. This may be for something I have at the gun shop. I don't know. You guys just stay tuned for that. Oh yeah, some ammo, baby. Look at that. I like the gold ones, not the silver plated ones. Oh yeah, we like that. Yeah, don't really know what to think about this whole Russian ammo scare or whatever you want to call it. I don't get too scared about shit like that, but you know, I just jumped on a case of it before the prices shot up because I knew the prices were coming down, and then that hits the news and prices straight back up. This stuff's running about $4.99 a case now. I got this for $3.49, and yeah, looked somewhere else and I've seen some some Blazer after I ordered this for about the same price, and I was like, damn, I should have got the Blazer as brass. But you know, that's how things go. But I got me a little Russian Tula there. May need to save it because it may be a thing of the past. I don't think so, but you know, it might be a little rough water for a little while, but hang in there. Things will settle down. But anyways, I want to do a little unboxing, catch up with you guys, say hi to all the new subscribers that are jumping on board. Growing. We hit. I'm a married man. This is really my first video since I've been married. You know, you guys seen that like a couple weeks ago. Just think about that. Yeah, the day that we got married, I had 10,000 subscribers, and within less than 3 weeks later, we're sitting at 13. It's actually a little over 13, or a little over 3 weeks now, but been at 13 for a little while. So we're bumping, guys. We're doing what we're supposed to do. And we're trying. I got plenty of content planned out. It's just getting a little bit better. I've been feeling like crap. That's why I haven't been to the range. The heat has been killing me. The heat. I just can't handle the heat, and it's getting fall weather now. So we'll get back out there. Got the BCM hat on there, professional grade weaponry there. Mod 1, I believe. Awesome ass hat right here. Love me some BCM. Anyways, guys, I guess we'll cut this off here and log this one in the history books. Paul, see you out there. Muddy Branch, see ya. Appreciate you guys chatting with me. And all the haters out there hating on my Smith & Wesson model 40, or Smith & Wesson model 6904. My Smith & Wesson model 6904. Anyways, guys, I thank you guys for tuning in. Go watch the videos. Give me some thumbs up. Catch you guys on the next one. Yeah, Billy. Over and out of here. Peace, guys.